Hey guys, welcome to another live drift exhaust sound reveal. My name is GM and today we're gonna do a live sound reveal on a monster of a bike. Now this is the Kawasaki ZH2, and really monster is an understatement when it comes to the power that this bike can deliver. And so we're gonna be waiting for more viewers to join us, but I hope you guys can join us for a while, or for the duration of this video, because we're gonna be doing a quick demo really on the safety of maybe interview Gilbert on the basics of the in driving a big bike or really motorcycles. So with that, I hope you guys can join us, and but before we do that, before we do a live sound reveal, we're gonna give a shout out to those who are watching us. Grabe yung bilis na. Sebastian, Aligayo, Amiel Santos, ZH2, absolutely ZH2 brother. Artem, Pilpil, ayan, Polygratis, Pilpil, good afternoon or good morning. Yan, si Marlon Chanko Azicate, parang absent ka kahapon brother sa live reveal natin. Bonnie Bergonia, Davis Kuilan. Sorry, ano to? Kuilan. Yan. Good morning. Ima Torms. Yan. So from Digos City. Si Artem pala is from Digos City. Si Drew Agihitas. Si Alvin Makalang. Shout out to you guys. Kay RJ Nukat. Hello po. Pwede po ba full exhaust sa ZX25R na pasok sa decibel limit ng LTO? Absolutely. Actually, most of the big bikes that we have installed even full exhaust on, pasok na pasok sa regulation ng LTO. So you guys will not have any problems when it comes to that. And actually, I have demo videos on how we measure the exhaust or the decibel meter. Check nyo lang sa YouTube, guys. Nandoon yung mga videos natin on mga ginagawa natin in terms of decibel meter. Kay Bragi Fernandez, kay Somain, shout out to you guys. Kay Rick Pascual, good morning brother. Kay Julius Castro, good morning. Kay Oscar Cabs, good morning. Jemark Mantilla, good morning. Sa Team Mokong, good morning. Vincent Gerson, how are you? Shout out to Kiel Chu. Yan. See you soon then. He has this Chinese or Japanese fonts. Hindi ko mabasa, but see you soon. Nasa meeting lang daw si Marlon. Kaya naman pala, wala kahapon. Brian Madrian yan. Yeah. Christopher Paloma, shout out from Indian Ocean. Wow, grabe, from Indian Ocean. Talaga naman, napakalayo niya, nakakapanood pa rin. Adrian Bugarin, thank you so much for that. Michael Asia Littleton, all the way from Angeles City. Ayun si Brother Noriel Evangelista Torres. Yan. Pagka kailangan nyo ng model, yan si Noriel. Pwede yan. Merwin Bolibol, good morning. Ready for my headers for Trident 660. Absolutely. When it comes to the Trident 660, grabe, ang daming nag-order sa atin, even overseas or sa ibang bansa, and really we are planning on doing just that and catering people from all over the world in terms of exporting our exhaust system. Pinoy na Pinoy, pero ang daming nagagandahan. Those who are foreigners appreciate the sound and the masterpiece that we're doing. So we're looking into that. So that's something that you guys can stay tuned on. Earl Makasait, good morning. Fabian Rodriguez, Ruel Barlan, good afternoon. Good morning pala. 15 minutes to 12 pa. James Ivan, Reggie, Paul. Yan, ang dami na nanonood. Thank you so much guys sa mga nanonood. I don't think I can give a shout out to everyone yet anymore, but maybe later. But today I'm gonna show you what we have right here. Okay, and this is the Kawasaki ZH2, which is a monster of a bike. And as you can see, it really looks like a beast. We installed a simple upgrade on this bike. It's like the bike of Reed. We have installed a slip-on. Ito yung slip-on niya. Shoutout kay Polko, kay Sunaj, Sikram. Yan. This is the slip-on, and we have installed this beautiful carbon fiber polished tip. Yan, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. Sobrang kinis. Right? Right? I haven't even started this yet, so it's really gonna be a surprise for everyone. And the owner, I want to give a shout out to the owner who is in France right now, si Dennis Kizon. Thank you so much for the trust, Dennis, and you know, stay tuned for the live. But before that, guys, I'm gonna introduce to you si Gilbert. Yan, Gilbert, halika, brother. Yan, dito tayo. Hi, Gilbert. Yan. So,
umaga po sa lahat.
good morning. And you know, I want to talk to you about the importance of getting a training when it comes to riding a bike or a motorcycle. Bakit ba importante yun, Gilbert?
Sir, importante po yun sa lahat ng mga riders na katulad ko.
Right.
Yung mga tinuturo kasi ng mga taga-highway patrol group is more on safety.
Right.
Saka siyempre advanced skills sa larangan ng pagmumotor.
So si Gilbert, guys, is from HPG, tama ba?
No sir, I'm from Philippine Marines.
Philippine Marines,
Train lang po ako sir ng
pero train
HPG.
siya ng HPG, ayan, yan. So, pwede ba kunyari yung baguhan, wala pang alam sa motorcycle, turuan sa HPG ba? Yung ganyan, pwede yan?
Sir, pwede po from Maro. From Di Maro to Maro. Kayang-kaya po silang i-handle ng taga-SPG. Magagaling po magturo yung mga taga-highway patrol group natin.
You know. That being said, ano ba mga advices mo dun sa mga gustong magmotor?
Para ang advice ko lang po sa kapwa ko mga riders.
Right.
Siyempre, pag sumampa po tayo sa motorsiklo natin, sa bike natin, kailangan po natin magdasal po muna tayo. At isipin po natin palagi yung safety.
Right.
Safety na para sa sarili mo at the same time, para din sa kapwa natin mga riders.
Correct. So hindi tayo kamote driver or kamote rider, no?
Kasi
na walang pakialam.
Ay, sir. Pag train po kayo ng SPG, yung attitude mo na kamote rider, sigurado po mawawala yun.
Correct.
Mapapalitan po ng disiplinadong riders po.
Yun ang maganda. And I think that's the thing. That's what we're missing in terms of the public roads right now. Minsan, you know, makikita natin, dami nagkakat sa atin.
Ay, sir, tama,
businahan mo, sila pa magagalit eh.
Ay, sir, tama, sir.
So, but really, kaya ka nagbubusina is for them to know na paparating ka.
Ay, sir, tama.
Na, baka matamaan ka. Pero sila pa galit eh. So, I think it's because of the lack of education, ano. But if we have schools such as this na pwedeng puntahan, I think marami pa naman dyan, di ba, na nagtuturo. Importante, we learn the basics and disiplina, pinaka-importante. But at the same time, like yung sinabi mo, dasal muna. Alright? So right now,
kalimutan na magdasal.
So right now, gusto mo na bang start to, Gilbert?
Ay, sir.
Alright, so start muna natin siya. So guys, ito na yung tunog ng ZH2 on idle. Hindi muna natin siya i-rev, Bert, no? Start mo muna. Sige, go ahead. Start niya guys ha. Anthony Ray Otao, shout out to you. Michael Vince, Dino Macareeg, all the way from QZ, Nestor, Nico Anterola, Rex Concepcion, Jeffrey Andes, Arnie De Mesa, Max Goy, Señorito Tendenilia, shout out to you guys. So this is the idol of the ZH2. Hindi pa natin nire-rev yan ha. Yan, medyo bumababa na siya. Yung idol niya. So, ipaparev na natin kay Gilbert. Bert, rev mo na. Rev mo na muna. Rev lang, rev lang. Rev lang. Yan. Yun. Rev lang, rev lang. Sige, rev lang. Sige, wait lang. Rev natin ha. Bert! Simula mo na. Sige. Okay. Galing ni Gilbert, oh, kayang-kaya niya yung bike. Even if it's a heavy bike, parang sa kanya napakagaan lang. Yan. That's what you get from a training. Diba? You know, kaya niya ano ba yun? 8? Figure 8. Kayang-kaya niya. Parang maliit na bike lang ang dinadala niya, but really, this is one heck of a heavy bike. Oh, diba? So that's what you get from a training. Kayang-kaya niyang ipaikot-ikot yung bike niya. Oh, right. So, if you hesitate, yeah, medyo kakaiba. But, you know, yan. Sige. Papark na natin sa kanya dito. Yan. Yun. Gilbert, rev mo nga. Rev mo. Rev. Yeah. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Yan. So, yan na siya, guys. Alright. Grabe. Tawagin na natin si Gilbert. Gilbert, ano masasabi mo sa sound ng bike?
Sir, malupit. Pagtiro na kayo mapagawa.
Thank you, thank you. Meron ka bang
recommended mga sir?
Thank you, thank you. And thank you for, you know, demonstrating to us na kahit maliit yung space, very tight yung space, kaya mo pa rin paikot-ikutin yung bike. Parang ano lang eh, parang gaan lang sa'yo eh, no?
Na-slide nga ako sir na mabuhangin sir eh.
Oo, medyo mabuhangin talaga dito, medyo madulas. That being said, meron ka bang gustong batiin, Gilbert?
Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Binabati ko po yung lahat ng mga Marines.
You know,
lalo na po yung aming Commandant Philippine Marine Corps, Major General Ariel Kakulitan, sir.
Yan.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Ingat po kayo, sir, pabalik ng Manila.
Good
At
morning.
binabati ko rin po yung dati kong boss, si Lieutenant General Romeo Tanalgo, sir.
Yan.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Yan
Thank
lang
you,
po, sir.
thank you so much sa mga service nyo, and you guys are doing God's work. That being said, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch up with you guys again soon for another live. God bless. See ya. Bye.